Assalamu alaikum everyone. To begin with, I would like to say thanks again for your time. I appreciate that you are watching my English practice video. This is MD Pranto Ali. I am an English learner. Every day, I try to practice in English beside my work. Nowadays, I am still here on the field. This is my betel field. I have come here few minutes ago for visit my this field because today the today has been raining since morning. That's why my parents morning time said we should visit our field and see everything is right or wrong. But that time I didn't have enough time, and also it was raining that time. That's why I didn't come that moment. Right now the rain is stopped and I have come this field. And as you can see in my hand, this is betel leaf. My one aunt yesterday said my fiber betel has been finished. When will you give the leaf? Yesterday I said, when will I go my field? That time I carry this betel leaf for you. And I have come this field. That why I have broken this betel leaf. After broke this betel leaf, I am making video and practicing in English because I cannot but make video. I can stay without good meal, but I cannot properly survive without practice in English. That's why do I stay? What I am doing, it doesn't matter. But matter is I must make video every day. So already I have visited my this field, and I have seen everything is to right now I have to go my house. So this is no more today. See you in the next video. Mercy.